Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Cassandra 5.0 on RHEL 8 or 9. First open any web browser, then go to Cassandra official website, that is cassandra.apache.org. Hit enter. See here we have the Cassandra 5.0. It is the latest version. Click on documentation, then click on expand this Cassandra. Getting started, then click on this installing Cassandra. See, Apache Cassandra can be installed on a number of Linux distributions like Alma Linux, Amazon Linux, Debian, RHEL, SUSE Linux and Ubuntu. Okay, so we are on RHEL and the prerequisites are Java 11 or 17. Let us verify whether we have the Java 17 or 11. -- version. See here I have already installed Java 17. If you haven't installed Java 17 on your machine, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. Next, to use SQL shell, the SQL means Cassandra query language shell, install latest version of Python. Version must be between 3.8 and 3.11. Let us verify the version of Python. Python 3 C. Python also matched. Ctrl G to quit, Ctrl L to clear screen. So both the prerequisites matched. Now installation methods. See here we have the three installation methods. One Docker image, tarball file and package installation. We are going to use this package installation by using RPM. Scroll down, install as a Debian. This is for Ubuntu or Debian. Scroll down for the RPM. See, for RHEL or Fedora or Alma Linux we have to use the RPM package. So we have already verified the Java version. Now create this file as a root user. Copy this one, switch to SU root user or any sudo user. Then create the file, vi, paste that file. Hit enter, press I to insert mode, then copy this. See here 42x means version number 42. If you give 5x, 50x, it will be the 50. So I am going to copy this one. Paste it. Escape. Remove this 42. Press I to insert mode. 50. You can use any text editor that you are familiar, like Vim, Gedit, Nano, anything. Okay. So just I have changed 5042x to 50. 50 means version number of Cassandra is 5. Escape, save the file. Escape, colon, WQ exclamation. Hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo m update. Hit enter. Type for confirmation and hit enter. Again until test passed. Okay, dependencies resolved. Okay, Ctrl L to clear screen. Now install the Cassandra by running the command sudo m rdnf install Cassandra. It will install the latest version of Cassandra. Hit enter. Type for confirmation. See here it is going to install the version number 5.0. So type and hit enter. We have successfully installed Cassandra 5.0. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now we have to load the daemon. Sudo systemctl daemon reload. Hit enter. Now verify the status of Cassandra. Sudo systemctl status Cassandra. Hit enter. See, Cassandra service is not started, so we have to start it by using this command, or simply run the sudo systemctl start Cassandra hit enter. Now verify the status of Cassandra. Sudo systemctl status Cassandra. See, Cassandra is active and running, and it is started 16 seconds ago. Now verify the status by using the command node tool status. Status of Cassandra is running. See, so if you receive this error, we have to install the pip. Sudo dnf install pip. Hit enter. Then pip install cqlsh. It is also done. Now connect to Cassandra by using cqlsh. See, this is the cluster name and this is the version of the Cassandra. If you want to see the documentation like inserting and query, we go down. If you want to see the cluster information, you have to run this select query. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. See, this is the cluster name. As I told you, here this is the cluster name and this is the version and this is the legend address. Okay, if you want to create key spaces, you have to go to Cassandra query language, then click on definitions, then click on data definition. See here we have the options like create key space, alter key space. You can practice them. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Cassandra 5.0 on RHEL. For more Cassandra NoSQL videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.